In primetime news this evening, political division. Government and opposition appear to be at odds on Hurricane Melissa recovery efforts.
Healthcare dilemma, newborns at increased risk of illnesses and infections.
And concerns as over 50% of the island's forested areas were badly impacted. Good evening and welcome to primetime news, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And why are you looking down? And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea.
Well, Janella, Hurricane Melissa has left about $29 billion worth of damage to the agricultural sector. And that's just the preliminary data. The figure could go up. Luckily, insurance payouts have begun. I'll have that and more in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jermaine Brown has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Thanks, Archibald. Well, the International Olympic Committee, the IOC, they have announced, some controversial changes for the 100 meters ahead of the LA 28 Games. We have reactions to those changes a bit later on.
I don't know how I feel about that. After that
we need
one
to
day,
vote
then
against
what?
those.
Yeah.
We need to vote against those.
All right, and Romaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the cold front has become stationary across the northern portion of the island. We still have windy conditions affecting sections of the north, and we do expect much of the same tomorrow. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
That's coming up later on Primetime News. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we are asking, how can the government and opposition work together to strengthen relief and recovery efforts after Hurricane Melissa?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.